Hello guys, this is Vishnu Panda here from Denver, Colorado. My EDX username is BPP9614 and my Git user ID is same BPP9614 at gmail.com. This is my final project for CS50. I have created a pickleball reservation system and which can be used to reserve courts in any of the pickleball clubs available in and around Denver, and it can be extended to anywhere basically. So to start with, an user can register with their username, password, and numeric ID, their first name, last name, age, email, sex, and create the register button. I have already registered and they can log in. Once they register, they can log in with their username and password. Login. So once you have successfully logged in, it gets into your home page. Looks like this. So basically, it's if you have a duper ID, you can populate your username full name from duper and your ratings and a single rating, your age, address. Also, it displays your current reservations. So, in this example, I have two club names: Lone Tree Rec Center and Parker Racket Club, and we have some reservations created, and all these reservations are displayed on my home page. Now, to reserve a particular club, you click this reserve button, select a club, for in this case Parker Racket Club, and there are multiple courts there. I have in this example I have just mentioned two clubs, and you can select a future date, let's say 31st, and a time between 10 and 11. So this time will be displayed based on this availability. If the court is already reserved and occupied during this time, it won't populate the time. So I click the reserve button. Once it's reserved, you will display a message saying that your reservation is successful, and it redirects to the home page. And you can see at the end, I have this particular club. So I can go ahead and cancel my previous ones. Yep, already cancelled. Previous ID 17. I can cancel this one as well. Cancel reservation number 15 has been cancelled. I have another page called history page, which can tell me the my transaction history for all the clubs so far. Say I just created a entry here at between 10 to 11 on 12/31, that is tomorrow, and I paid around $20. I mean, it can be integrated with the payment system, but in this particular example, I'm saying that okay, you are going to pay $20 when you show up. I have another page called lookup where you can paste someone's tuple ID if you know it. I mean, this is just to check for another player's rating. You can place there if you know the duper ID. You can put their ID and to look up. In future, it can be enhanced by first name last name, which is a post method. So in this case, I'm using their swagger. This is the swagger ID for duper player slash person, and give the ID for the particular player, and you can look up the player's name saying that Melee Bank, and it should display the photo. Yeah, so basically this is the same as someone's photo in this one, Melee Bank, and I should be able to see this rating 4.2 and age and their address on this page. That's it. Once it's done, you can log out of the system. Thank you very much.